here we are going to presenting about the OS presentation on implementation of virtual machine and conceptual evolution.
I am Zainab.
I am Tamanna.
Myself, Tanaz Banu.
Next topic is introduction. In this, my topic is introduction. Running Windows in Kali Linux allows users to combine the power of Kali's security tools with the compatibility of Windows application through method like virtualization, dual booting, or using Wine. Both systems can work together for testing, development, and cybersecurity tasks. This integration enhances flexibility, productivity, and cross platform performance in a single environment. Next slide.
I am explain about the experimental setup. Windows 11 operating system. Tools install Kali Linux. Requirement 64 bits Windows 11. At least 4 GB RAM. Virtualization enabled. Steps involved. First one, enable WSL using PowerShell. Use a PowerShell command like WSL install to activate the Linux subsystem feature. Second, install Kali Linux from Microsoft Store. Download and install Kali Linux directly from the Microsoft Store. Third, set up username and password. When first launch, create your Linux user credentials. Fourth, update and install security tools. Use commands like sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to update the system. Then install security or ethical hacking tools. Fifth, enable GUI mode using WinKex. WinKex allows a graphical user interface for Kali Linux inside. In this short, this setup allows you to run and test Kali Linux tools inside Windows 11 without needing a separate virtual machine. Next slide.
And then my topic is implementation setup. Kali Linux can be installed on Windows 11 using Windows subsystem for Linux, allowing users to run a full Linux environment directly on Windows without needing dual boot or a virtual machine. This setup is ideal for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and cybersecurity learning. There are some implementation steps. Step 1, enable WSL and virtual platform. Open the PowerShell and run. Install the WSL. Alternatively, enable manually through control panel to programs to run. To turn Windows features on or off, check Windows subsystem for Linux and virtual platform machine. Restart your system after enabling. Then step 2 will be install Kali Linux from the Microsoft Store. Open the Microsoft Store and then to search the Kali Linux, then click the install. This downloads the official image from the offensive security trusted source. Then step 3 will be the launch Kali Linux and set up user account. Open start Kali Linux. The terminal will prompt for username password. These credentials will be used to the access your Kali shell. Then step 4 will be the update and upgrade the system. Run these commands to ensure the latest packages sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Why this step is important for the system security and performance. Then step 5 will be the install penetration testing tools. You can install specific tools on the full package. For individual tools, sudo apt install nmap Varshik. Next, Metasploit framework John Hydra. For the complete Kali Linux tool, sudo apt install Kali Linux full. Then step 6 will be the setup GUI interface using WinKex. If you prefer a graphical interface instead of command line, sudo apt install Kali WinKex KexWinS. This opens the Kali desktop environment inside the Windows 11. Then step 7 will be the begin security testing and ethical hacking task. You can now perform a network scanning, packet analysis, web app testing, password cracking, exploit testing, like that all within the Windows 11 environment safely and efficiently. Next slide.
I am explaining about this observation. First point is successful execution. Kali Linux runs smoothly on Windows 11 using WSL without any errors or compatibility problems. Second one, lightweight and fast. The system works quickly and does not require much memory or processing power, ideal for presenting testing. Smooth integration. Linux tools and Windows applications work together easily, allowing both environments to be used side by side. Fourth one, easily file access. Users can open and manage both Windows and Linux files from either system without switching. Fifth and better efficiency. This setup is more efficient and simpler than using a virtual machine or dual boot, saving time and system resources. In short, it shows that running Kali Linux through WSL gives a fast, compatible and efficient environment for security testing directly inside Windows. Next slide.
I am going to explain the conclusion about this project. The study and demonstration of virtual machine highlights how modern operating systems have evolved to support virtualization technology, enabling multiple OS environments to run on a single physical machine. This is not only improves resource utilization but also enhance flexibility, isolation, and security in computing environments. Through conceptual evolution, it becomes evident that virtualization bridges the gap between hardware and software, allowing efficient testing, development, and various operating systems like Kali Linux and Windows. Overall, virtual machines represent a significant advancement in OS technology, promoting scalability, cost efficiency, and essay of management in both educational and industrial domain. Through conceptual evolution, it becomes evident that operating systems like Kali Linux and Windows 11 differ in their approach to process management, CPU scheduling, memory management, and resource handling. Kali Linux, being open source and Linux based, provides flexibility and command line control suitable for developers and security professionals, whereas Windows 11 focuses on graphical user experience, compatibility, and performance optimization. Now I am going to show the implementation of Kali Linux. For installing Kali Linux, first we should open our Microsoft Store, then search for Kali Linux, then install it. Once installed, we have to launch it in a start menu to run. Initial step: when you first launch Kali Linux, it will extract files and set up the environment. You will be promoted to create a Unix username and password. Now I am going to show how to access the password and username. This is the username given for our Kali Linux, and this will be the password. After giving username and password, we can log into Kali Linux. Now this shows our Kali Linux page. In here we can run command. For example, I will show one command. If config, this is the one of the command. After running this, here it shows the interconnections of the given command. Now we will see the task manager of this Kali Linux. So here we can see the task manager. This is the task manager of the Kali Linux shown in the system. Thank you.